Hey, what's up guys, it's Lucky White here, and today I'm reviewing a 2018 Nissan Titan XD Pro-4X from the Greenlight Black Bandit collection. It's limited edition, 164 scale from the Series 21. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Very good detail on the exterior. Gloss black wheels and matte black paint give a good effect to the car. This car in real life competes with the Chevy Silverado and the Ford F-150. And yeah, looks pretty good. Has a tow bar and a number plate saying BB, which stands for Black Bandit. The base plate is steel. In real life, this car comes with a 5.6 liter naturally aspirated petrol V8 of this small, the Pro-4X XD, or the XD Pro-4X, that comes with a naturally aspirated 5.6 liter V8 petrol. Pretty good car. And in this series, actually, you can see behind, these are the cars which you get, which are the 1957 Plymouth Fury, 1969 Ford Bronco, 1970 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser, and the 1975 Ford F100, 2018 Nissan Titan XD Pro-4X, and the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado SSV. Pretty good looking box. As you can see, looks pretty good. Anyways, I think that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.